Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change AdSense account on YouTube. So let's get into it. First of all, sign into YouTube Studio. Select the monetization section on the left menu. Click on Video Advertising and then click on See More. This will send you over to the monetization tab on YouTube. Now once you're here, you're going to find Review or Change. Click Associated AdSense account. On that tab, you can see your associated AdSense account. I'm gonna blur this information because that's of course confidential. But you'll see the change button right here. If you like to update your AdSense account, click the change button below. You will be redirected to AdSense, and once you have completed the process, you will be redirected back to YouTube. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.